Weekends hold a unique power, a sanctuary in time where the rush of the world gives way to moments of tranquility and rejuvenation. For many, these precious days are an oasis, a chance to shed the week's burdens and emerge renewed. But what if weekends could be more than just a break? What if they were the launchpad for a week filled with energy, focus, and fulfillment? This guide explores the art of recharging over the weekend to not only survive but thrive in the week ahead. Embrace the art of doing nothing. One of the greatest gifts you can give yourself is permission to do nothing. This doesn't mean lounging aimlessly but rather engaging in purposeful rest. It's about finding joy in stillness, allowing your mind and body to reset. Think of it as a mini vacation for your soul. Start by setting aside a specific time each weekend to disconnect from your usual routines. This could be an hour in the morning, an afternoon, or even an entire day. Use this time to indulge in activities that relax and rejuvenate you. Whether it's reading a book, meditating, or simply sitting in a park and watching the world go by, this downtime is crucial for mental clarity and emotional balance. Prioritize physical activity. While rest is essential, so is movement. Physical activity is a proven way to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost energy levels. The key is to find a form of exercise that you enjoy, making it a rewarding part of your weekend routine rather than a chore. Consider activities that combine physical exertion with enjoyment, such as hiking, biking, or dancing. These activities not only get your heart rate up but also connect you with nature or your community, providing a double dose of well-being. If you prefer a more structured approach, join a weekend yoga or fitness class. The social interaction and guided sessions can add an extra layer of motivation. Nourish your body with healthy foods. Weekends are often a time for indulgence, but that doesn't mean you have to compromise on nutrition. In fact, using your weekends to fuel your body with wholesome foods can set a positive tone for the week ahead. Start with a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Think scrambled eggs with avocado on whole grain toast or a smoothie packed with greens, fruits, and a scoop of protein powder. For lunch and dinner, focus on lean proteins, colorful vegetables, and whole grains. Experiment with new recipes and flavors to make healthy eating enjoyable rather than a chore. Don't forget to hydrate. Drinking plenty of water throughout the weekend can help you stay energized and clear-headed. Consider herbal teas or infused water with fruits and herbs for a refreshing twist. Cultivate mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, and weekends are the perfect time to cultivate this skill. By focusing on the here and now, you can reduce stress, improve concentration, and enhance your overall sense of well-being. Begin with simple mindfulness exercises, such as deep breathing or body scan meditations. These practices can be done anywhere, anytime, and only take a few minutes. You might also try mindful walking, where you pay close attention to the sensations of each step, the sounds around you, and the rhythm of your breath. Integrating mindfulness into your weekend can be as simple as savoring your morning coffee without distractions or taking a few minutes to stretch and breathe deeply before bed. The goal is to create moments of calm that you can carry into your week. Connect with loved ones. Human connection is a fundamental aspect of our well-being. Weekends provide an opportunity to nurture relationships with family and friends, which can leave you feeling supported and uplifted as you head into a new week. Plan activities that foster meaningful interactions, such as family meals, game nights, or outdoor adventures. If distance separates you from loved ones, schedule video calls or virtual hangouts. Sharing your thoughts, experiences, and laughter with others can be incredibly rejuvenating. Don't forget to also connect with yourself. Take time for self-reflection, journaling, or engaging in hobbies that you love. This personal connection can be just as vital as your interactions with others. Plan and prepare for the week ahead. While weekends are a time to relax, a bit of planning can help reduce weekday stress and set you up for success. Use some of your weekend time to organize and prepare for the upcoming week. Create a to-do list or a weekly planner outlining your tasks and goals. This can provide clarity and direction, making your week feel more manageable. Meal prep is another excellent way to ease weekday burdens. Prepare a few meals or snacks in advance, ensuring you have healthy options readily available when life gets busy. Consider laying out your clothes for the week or organizing your workspace. These small actions can save time and reduce decision fatigue, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. Engage in creative activities. Creativity is a powerful tool for relaxation and mental stimulation. Engaging in creative activities during the weekend can provide a sense of accomplishment and joy, fueling your spirit for the week ahead. Explore hobbies such as painting, writing, crafting, or playing a musical instrument. These activities can be both therapeutic and inspiring, offering a break from routine and a chance to express yourself. Don't worry about the outcome, the process itself is what matters. If you're not sure where to start, try something new. Attend a workshop, take an online class, or simply experiment with different mediums and techniques. The goal is to have fun and let your creativity flow. Get outside and enjoy nature. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. Make it a point to get outside during the weekend, whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or a day at the beach. Nature offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It provides a chance to breathe fresh air, soak in natural beauty, and reconnect with the world around you. Even a short time spent outdoors can have a profound impact on your mental and physical health. Sleep well. Sleep is a critical component of overall health and well-being. Use your weekends to catch up on rest and establish healthy sleep habits that can carry into your week. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This might include activities such as reading, listening to soothing music, or taking a warm bath. Avoid screens and stimulating activities close to bedtime, as these can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Ensure your sleep environment is conducive to rest. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet, and invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Good sleep can significantly enhance your mood, energy levels, and cognitive function, setting you up for a successful week. Reflect and set intentions. As your weekend comes to a close, take some time to reflect on the past week and set intentions for the one ahead. This practice can help you stay focused and motivated, ensuring that you approach each day with purpose and clarity. Reflect on what went well during the week and what could be improved. Celebrate your successes and learn from any challenges. Then, set clear, achievable goals for the coming week. These goals can be related to work, personal growth, relationships, or self-care. By ending your weekend with reflection and intention setting, you create a sense of closure and readiness. This ritual can transform your weekends into a powerful tool for personal growth and well-being.